Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Pokémon TCG Pocket mod menu completely free. And yes, it works on both iOS and Android devices. This mod unlocks all the best hacks in the game, including unlimited Poké Gold, premium pass access, and much more. If you've been searching for Pokémon TCG Pocket hacks or mod menu tutorials, you're in the right place. As you can see on the screen, the mod menu gives you instant access to features like unlimited Poké Gold, premium pass unlocked, exclusive hidden options, and more. Before you start, make sure your Pokémon TCG Pocket app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply head to the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is up to date, the next step is easy. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've left the exact instructions and the download link for Pokémon TCG++. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu running in minutes. If this method worked for you, don't forget to smash that like button and drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.